Hello my dear friends, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English online class. This is our English second book and the name of our English second book is New Tree Top. So how are you all students? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Very good. So students, in this book means in English second, nowadays we are learning our lesson 5th and the name of our lesson 5th is The Little Caterpillar. Okay, so all of you requested to open your book. Okay, this is our lesson 5th, The Little Caterpillar. So students, this is the third part of this lesson. So in first part I explained you this story and in second part we completed these two exercises and the question answers. Okay, so today in this class we are going to do the exercises. Okay, the remaining exercises. So first one, let's learn grammar. Okay, now look at pictures. Look at the pictures, read the sentences. Okay, so the caterpillar eats leaves. In this picture we can see the caterpillar eats leaves. Okay, eats means, yes, very good, खाना. Okay, caterpillar क्या कर रहा है बच्चों? Caterpillar leaves खाता है. Second one picture we can see the caterpillar sleeps in a cocoon. Okay, and what does it do? Sleeps. Sleeps means, very good, सोना. तो कैटरपिलर कोकून में सोती है. ओके, थर्ड वन, अ बटरफ्लाई कम्स आउट ऑफ अ कोकून. सो इन दिस पिक्चर स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन सी अ बटरफ्लाई कम्स आउट मीन्स बाहर आती है ऑफ अ कोकून. के कोकून में से एक बटरफ्लाई बाहर आती है. डन, वेरी गुड. नाउ द हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स टेल यू. हाईलाइटेड मीन्स ईट्स, स्लीप्स एंड कम्स. ओके, ये these words are written in red ink. तो these are called highlighted words. ये highlighted word इसलिए हैं क्योंकि ये देखो, आप देख रहे होंगे कि अलग से बच्चों दिखाए गए हैं. ओके, हाईलाइट किए गए हैं. सो हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स टेल यू व्हाट द कैटरपिलर एंड द बटरफ्लाई डू. ओके, कि कैटरपिलर और बटरफ्लाई क्या कर रहे हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स हमको बताते हैं. मीन्स ईट्स. So through this picture we come to know that the caterpillar eats the leaves. Okay, and the second one, through this picture we come to know the caterpillar sleeps. And third one we come to know through the picture that a butterfly comes out. Okay, तो हमें ये पता चलता है जो हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स हैं उससे कि जो सेंटेंस है बच्चों उसमें क्या वर्क है, मतलब क्या हो रहा है. ओके, गुड. So words that tell us what we do are called action words, or we can say doing words. आपने in UKG you have learnt action word or doing words. Yes. So जो बच्चों ये जो words ये बताते हैं कि हम क्या करते हैं, so these words are called action words, or we can say doing words. Like jump, sing, dance, hope, hold, eat, drink, push, pull, climb, cut. Okay, so these words are called action word or doing words. Okay बच्चों, वो शब्द जो हमें बताते हैं कि हम क्या करते हैं. लाइक जंप, आई जंप, मैं जंप करता हूँ. सो जंप इज अ action word. Okay, so what is the monkey doing? Choose the action words from the box. So here students 8 pictures we have and here we are having some options. Okay, means we can say the action words or we can say the help box. Help box is given. So what we have to do? First we have to see the picture. Then we have to write what is the monkey doing. Okay, so in first picture you can see what is the monkey doing. Please tell. Very good. The monkey walks. Monkey walks means monkey चलता है. Okay, so write here walk. Question second one. What does it do? What does the monkey do? क्या करता है बच्चों इसका monkey? You can see the picture. Picture देख रहे हैं ना? Yes. Monkey is having a rope in his hand. ये rope है, रस्सी है उसके हाथ में, और क्या कर रहा है ये? Pull means खींच रहा है, किसी चीज को ये खींच रहा है. Okay, so pulls. Monkey pulls. So right here pulls, P-U-L-L-S. Question third one. Yes, in this picture we can see the monkey push means monkey pushes something. जो monkey है बच्चों वो push कर रहा है ना, देख रहे हैं आप? Yes, तो push करना means होता है किसी चीज को जब हम धक्का देते हैं उसको बोलते हैं बच्चों push करना. क्या कहते हैं? push. Okay, so right here pushes. Monkey, the monkey pushes. Okay, fourth one. Yes, here the monkey is happy and what does it do? What is he doing? क्या कर रहा है बच्चों ये? Very good. The monkey jumps. Okay, jump कर रहा है. Jump means क्या होता है बच्चों? कूदना. Okay, so right here jumps. Done. Very good. Fifth one. Here, what does it do? Yes, very good. The monkey sleeps. Okay, monkey क्या कर रहा है बच्चों? सो रहा है, तो the monkey sleeps. Okay, sixth one. What does means the monkey is having something in his hands? Yes, very good. Means he holds two bananas in hands. Okay, so hold means होता है बच्चों पकड़ना. उसने क्या पकड़े हुए हैं? 2 bananas पकड़े हुए हैं. So it holds. So the monkey holds. Right, holds here. Hold means होता है बच्चों पकड़ना. Okay, seventh one. The monkey. Very good. Swims. The monkey swims. Swim means क्या होता है बच्चों? तैरना. Okay, so the monkey swims. So right here swims. And eighth one. The monkey climbs. The monkey climbs. Climb up means क्या होता है बच्चों? चढ़ना. ओके, द मंकी क्लाइम अप द स्टेयर्स मीन्स जो मंकी है वो कहाँ चढ़ रहा है? सीढ़ियों पर. सो क्लाइम्स. सो राइट हियर क्लाइम्स. सो डन स्टूडेंट्स. हियर वॉक्स. सेकंड वन पुल्स. थर्ड वन पुशेस. फोर्थ वन जम्प्स. फिफ्थ वन स्लीप्स. सिक्स्थ वन होल्ड्स. सेवेंथ वन स्विम्स. एट्थ वन क्लाइम्स. ओके, सो दीज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एक्शन वर्ड्स और डूइंग वर्ड्स. एक्शन वर्ड भी कहते हैं बच्चों इन्हें, और डूइंग वर्ड्स भी कहते हैं. और क्या होते हैं शब्द? ये वर्ड्स बताते हैं हमें कि हम क्या करते हैं, या जो भी जिसके बारे में भी हम देखते हैं या बोलते हैं, तो ये वर्ड बताते हैं कि ये वो क्या करता है. ओके, जैसे मंकी के बारे में हमने ये लिख दिया एक्शन वर्ड्स, तो हमें इससे पता चलता है कि मंकी इन पिक्चर्स में क्या कर रहा है. ओके, सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. So I hope it is clear to you. Very good. You have understood? Good. Now turn on the page. Okay, student, this is page number 32. This is page number 32. So let's practice words. Let's practice words. So match the animals with their babies. This one is very interesting and very important exercise. Okay, this exercise you have in GK also. In EVS also, I hope means I think so, and in English first book also. Okay, so this is very common thing and you should learn this exercise properly. Okay, so match the animals with their babies. First one, it is done already. Kitten is the baby of a cat. Okay, now next one. First one, dog. So find out the baby of a dog. Okay, where is it? कहाँ है बच्चों? जो डॉग का बेबी है वो कहाँ है? वेरी गुड, पपी. सो डॉग के बेबी को हम क्या कहते हैं? पपी. सो पपी इज द बेबी ऑफ अ डॉग. ओके, डॉग के जो बेबी को हम बोलते हैं पपी. सो मैच इट. Okay, like this students, match it. Third one, duck. Now please tell me the baby name of duck. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, very good, duckling. Okay, duckling is the baby of a duck. Okay, so match it. Very good. Now fourth one, hen. N. Where is the baby of hen? Very good. What is called the baby of a hen? Yes, very good. Chick. Yes, chick is called the baby of a hen. Okay, so match it. Very good. Now fifth. Yes, sheep. Okay, and now tell me the baby name of a sheep. Very good. The cute animal, lamb. Okay, so lamb is called the baby of a sheep. So match it. Okay, now sixth one, cow. Okay, and the baby of a cow is, very good, the last one is calf. So calf is called the baby of a cow. Okay, so match it. So done, students. Cat, kitten. Dog, puppy. Duck, duckling. Hen, chick. Sheep, lamb, and cow, calf. Done. So you should learn it properly. Okay, and now let's take out your English second fair notebook. We will do this exercise in our English second notebook also. Okay, so now let's take out your English second fair notebook. Okay, students, in previous class, students, we have done the question answers. Okay, the question answers of this lesson. Yes. So students, we will do this exercise the next page. Okay, good. So write the names of the babies of the given animals. First one, dog, puppy, cat, kitten, duck, duckling, hen, chick, sheep, lamb. So student, this is your homework, that first you have to do these two exercises in your book, and then this exercise you have to write in notebook. Okay, in neat and clean writing. And these are the baby's name of the given animals. And students, the remaining exercises means page number 33, page number 34 and page number 35. So we will do in next class. Okay, so complete your work and learn properly. So we will meet in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.